smart meter, utility energy meter from KPLC, you start by pairing and you input 1593. Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video, and this is Nguru-JohwaTech Electrical Contractors Limited YouTube channel, where we learn through practicals. Well, in our today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate smart meter technology model 2023. Smart meter technology activation codes is the same as CLO. So when you are activating CLO, the codes that we use to activate CLO is the same codes we use to activate smart meter technology model 2023. So this is an energy utility meter from KPLC, and there is also model that was brought after CLO, and it was also called smart meter technology. The meter number was starting with 54, just as like CLO, which starts with 54. So the model 2023 of smart meter technology, the difference between this and the one that came prior is the size of the energy meter, or the design of the energy meter, and the meter number, because the meter number for this model 2023 starts with 92. So without further ado, let's go straight to activation of smart meter technology energy meter model 2023. And well, before we continue, hit that subscription button, and also remember to put a notification bell to activate smart meter technology utility energy meter from KPLC. You start by pairing and you input 1593570. You input 1593570 plus meter number. So to activate smart meter technology utility energy meter from KPLC, you input 1593570 followed by the meter number, which is 92, and you're supposed to have 18 digits. If you look on your left side of the LCD screen, you'll be able to see the digits are counting. Okay, so once we are through with pairing, we start, or we go to the next step, which is commissioning of the meter. Commissioning is authorizing something to start functioning or working or to be useful, and we start by inputting the commissioning code for the smart meter 2023 model, and we input 0028823037628593. 2100. I repeat, to commission smart meter technology utility energy meter from KPLC, you input 00288230376285932100 and then press OK or the enter key. Okay, once you are done with pairing and the activation of the meter, what you are required to do, or what you're supposed to do, is to load the meter with the credit or token credit. Okay, once you load the token, you are good to go, and the meter now is ready to be useful. All right. Like I have said, to activate smart meter technology energy meter model 2023 from KPLC is the same as activating CLOW, which the meter number starts with 54, or the smart meter technology that came or that was supplied to KPLC customers after CLOW, and the meter number was starting with 54. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.